What is going on, my party good looking people, on a Monday? Just happy to be alive. Most importantly, be safe. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Shout out to the people out here on the grind. Shout out to the people here out here just trying to make it. If y'all didn't know, Who Has the Heat is in full swing. We just had another dope battle this past weekend with the Bro 10.5, the Bro CJ the Sneaker Fiend. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, check out my family, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. And if you want to subscribe to me, that works as well. Now, some other things to keep in mind too as well. I know this might not go over well because a lot of people like checks over stripes, but I'm trying to give a little bit of something for everybody. They got some major steals and deals at Foot Locker. Shout out to Jules, Pat, Keith, Eric, all of them at Foot Locker Waikiki. As you can see, this shoe was $59.99. Now, I don't know if I'm a mathematician that much, but just look at this. Look at this. You see, you got your Puka, you got your whole suggested retail price is 180 of them things, and this is a 10.5 I can't even talk. The Ultraboost DNA, not NMD. It's an Ultraboost. Duh, UV. Get with it, E-Money. All right. So as you can see, Bred colorway. I likes it. I likes it a lot. For those of you who are into boost technology, y'all already know. Don't need to be sold on these shoes. Just pretty much an all black shoe. As you can see, got that dope boost technology underneath. Got the white there, and then you see you got torsion system. That's been on pretty much most Adidas shoes. Now you see right here, you got this nice netting, stretchy netting with Adidas right here. Then you got some interesting laces, right? You got some black hits with the gold tips. I kind of like that. Then you got a leather tone, which is different, with Adidas in gold on the shoe. Come around on the side, you got your 3 stripes. You kind of got like that charcoal look as far as the boost. Now you got a little suede here. All right, okay, boost. Y'all stepping it up a little bit. Adidas stepping up. You see that? Got a little bit of back booty stroke, making it feel all nice and important with your Ultra Boost. Then you turn around on the buttocks. Don't need a heel tab to pull it up. Come around on the meter side, you see you got your tab, Ultra Boost DNA, 10.5, 10 UK, and all of that good stuff. So like I said, and then you got something different right here. Nothing spectacular about the laces. Then you got boost in gold on the shoe. So I like the shoe. I liked it a lot. But if I had to pay 180, nah, they've been that way for a while. But hey, it is what it is. So if I had to give this shoe a rating, just right out the rip, something plain and Jane simple, just to run to the store or the mall, I would give it a 4, right? But then if you're gonna throw in the price and all of that stuff, I would at least give it about a 4.5. Cause now you got talking about $100 off. Plus, if you get a discount, you can get this shoe for $50 or less. Right, so like I said, this is a steal and deal. I don't want to do all that intro, outro. I just want to get to the meat and the potatoes of this video. Maybe some people are watching, maybe don't. It's kind of old, and the shoe been out for a while, so I don't expect too many people to check it out. As you can see, it says 12/19, so it's almost a year old, so not too bad. But $59, hey, you can't go wrong. No excuse, right? 8-hour shoe, multi-hour shoe. You let me know what you think. So like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Would you purchase this for $50 or less, or you just really hate the stripes? Leave a comment suggestion below. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.